right, today's video on the Items of Interest channel is this really interesting Langspare IKEA lumbar pillow. It's 17 inches long and can be attached to the back of any chair that you want using a handy strap on the back. It's filled with memory foam and it's really cool. And what I like about this one is it's about twice the size of what would normally be a lumbar pillow in this price range, $20 flat rate. I've also found that the way that it's contoured makes a really nice seat, and there's absolutely no reason to not sink yourself into this memory foam because it's actually really comfortable. I've got several chairs in the lab. I've got Herman Miller chairs. I've got steel case. I've got a Secret Lab chair in the other back. Some of these chairs have really hard bottom areas, right? And what you want to do is mitigate the bottom area hardness by getting a memory foam pillow to sit on, for example. And for certain of these chairs, the strap would probably extend to connect for putting it on the bottom, although IKEA generally sells it to be done this way, right, as lumbar support for your spine. The base of your spine gets a lot of wear and tear sitting in the chair. Uh, you can use this for your home computer setup or video game chair, for example, or you could even take it to the office, just put it behind that office chair that you have to sit in, and at least have some comfort during the day. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this channel. I hope to bring more rare, obscure video and product reviews as well for new, interesting products like this IKEA lumbar pillow. And if you want to hit the like button and subscribe, that would help me continue to do more videos. I hope you enjoy watching these reviews as much as I do making them.